Hello everyone, this is Ajay Kumar. Welcome to this presentation on marketing research. Today we will analyze the relationship between social media marketing activity, especially in the readiness aspect and brand trust in the cosmetic industry. So let's dive. So now let's move on the main question of this presentation. Our first task is to calculate the simple correlation between social media marketing activity, readiness aspect, independent variable, and brand trust, dependent variable. Interpret the result and drive insights. Second one is perform regression analysis with social media marketing activity, readiness aspect as the independent variable and brand trust as the dependent variable. Interpret the results and extract the insights. Write the implication scope for further research and conclusion. Last one is present the total work in the form of a voice over video using a PowerPoint presentation. This slide show the demographic and geographic profile of respondent. Here, age group, the largest group is 18 to 24 years, 45%, followed by 25 to 34 years, 35%, showing a younger audience. Second, gender, 60% male and 40% female respondents. Third one is location, 70% from metropolitan cities and 30% from smaller towns. In this slide, present a graph showing the relationship between social media marketing activity and brand trust. So the graph demonstrate that as the level of social media marketing activity increase, the trust in the brand also rise. Now let's discuss here the analysis examines the relationship between social media marketing social media marketing readiness activity and brand trust. The null hypothesis states the social media marketing readiness activity have no relation to brand trust, while the alternative hypothesis posits the social media readiness activity are the related to brand trust. The correlation analysis reveals a strong positive Pearson correlation coefficient of 0.803 between social media marketing readiness and brand trust. This indicates a high degree of association between the two variables. Furthermore, the p-value here we can see two-tailed is 0.000, which is less than the significance level of 0.01. This result implies the correlation is statistically significant and there is a less than 1% probability that the observed relationship is due to random chance. Based on the findings, the null hypothesis is rejected and the alternative hypothesis is accepted. This means that the social media marketing readiness activity are the significantly related to brand trust. The strength and significance of the relationship suggest that brand that engage in trendly and failing social media marketing activity are most likely to foster trust among their audience. These results highlight the importance of aligning social media marketing strategy with consumer expectation to enhance brand credibility and trust. This is the regression analysis with social media marketing activity readiness aspect as the independent variable and brand trust as the dependent variable. Interpret the result and extract insights. Like social media marketing readiness activity has no influence on brand trust, and hypothesis social media readiness activity influence the brand trust. Here, through the interpretation, we can understand like R squared 4.4% indicates that 64.4% of the variation in the brand trust can be explained by social media marketing readiness. This demonstrates that the model fits well and social media readiness is a substantial predictor of brand trust. The high F static and low p value 0. Like a 0.000 confirm the overall significance of the model, suggesting that the independent variable social media marketing readiness significantly influence brand trust. Like a brand trust equal to A plus B social media trend lines. This linear relationship highlight that increasing investment in social media marketing readiness will likely lead to higher consumer trust. Yeah, right. Through this implication, like market strategy, cosmetic brand must continuously monitor social media trends and adapt to their marketing strategy to align with the emerging patterns and interest of Generation Gen. Second one is resource allocation. So resource allocation, allocating resource to enhance social media presence and engage with the trending content can lead to a stronger consumer brand relationships. Brand positioning, by positioning themselves as the trade setters on the social media, cosmetic brand can reinforce brand loyalty and consumer trust. Here, a scope for further research, longitudinal study, conducting a longitudinal study to assess how social media marketing readiness influences brand trust over time. Cross-industry analysis examining the influence of social media marketing readiness on brand trust across different industry beyond cosmetics. Additional variable including other social media marketing aspects such as interactivity and personalization to evaluate their collectivity impact on brand trust. So lastly, here including the conclusion, the analysis reveals a strong and significant relationship between social media marketing readiness and brand trust in the cosmetic industry. This suggestion that cosmetic brands should prioritize trend-driven social media strategy for a foster consumer trust, while leveraging readiness as a key component of their marketing efforts. Brand can enhance their reputation and strengthen customer loyalty and achieve long-term growth in an increasingly competitive market. So, lastly, I want to say that thank you for all and watching this presentation. I hope this presentation will be very helpful for us.